welcome to another Stuff unboxing. You know what we have today? Because you can read the title, I'm sure. We've got the Huawei, the Pura 70 Pro. It's newly launched and we're about to open it up and see what's inside and discuss the device just a little bit. Come, let's have a look. So, you've probably seen an unboxing video before. If you haven't, what happens is we take the box and we unbox the thing. Today's thing is the Huawei Pura 70 Pro, which is their newest flagship series. It recently launched in April in China, and now it's made its way to South Africa. There are three models. This is the Pura 70 Pro. Below it is the Pura 70. Above it, the Pura 70 Ultra, at least in South Africa. We only have the Pro today, but that's not all you get in the box. There is also a case in true Huawei fashion. They always provide one of these. Thank you. And look at that, 100-watt charging brick and accompanying cable. Also very nice to see. This device in South Africa comes in black or white. We've got the white one here today, and first impressions, I guess. No fingerprints are showing up, which is always great to see, unless you fat finger the camera bumps, which probably not a good idea. Speaking of cameras, this is the play, the forward symbol. So make of that what you will. It does mean the device lies relatively flat on a surface, which is always nice to see. In hand, it feels like a smartphone, unsurprisingly. The corners, edges are nice and rounded. So, no jagged edges, no cuts, smartphone cuts. You know how those are. And obviously, the biggest thing you'll notice is that camera bump. This is the Pura series. So, just a bit of context. Huawei used to have the P series, which was their photography-focused smartphones. The Pura 70 takes over from the P series. Switching the device on, we're met with this lovely rectangle. In this case, it's a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display. Lots of acronyms, but essentially that means you're getting a nice looking screen. This one is HDR supported, 120 Hertz, all the good stuff. Peak brightness of 2500 nits, if you're into numbers. Inside, behind the display somewhere, is a high silicon made Kirin 910 chipset. Joining the chipset inside is, in this device, 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. That's a lot of storage, which is great to see. Battery inside, 5050 milliamp hours of lithium iron phosphate. That can do, as you've seen on the brick, 100 watts of wired charging, 80 watts of wireless charging, and the Pura 70 Pro can also do reverse charging. Finally, we get onto the main attraction of this device, which is the camera system. For the main sensor, you get a 50 megapixel ultra lighting camera. It features a variable aperture system, like previous Huawei phones, with an f-stop of f1.4 to f4.0, so that's quite a range you got there. And it also features optical image stabilization, which is always good to see. That's followed up with a 12.5 megapixel, bit of a weird number there, ultra-wide camera, and a 48 megapixel telephoto macro camera. That features an aperture of 2.1 and also has optical image stabilization. So that's the Huawei Pura 70 Pro. What's in the box, what we think about the box, and the device, and the other things in the box. For more information, you can check out Huawei's website, as they are already available, or you can keep your eyes open on our website for a full review in the next few weeks. Thanks very much for watching, and check out some of this other content somewhere. If you want to see more from Stuff. I don't know where.